Good morning, Sir Oliva. Are you ready for the job interview today?
Yes po, Miss Brian, good morning din po.
I hope you're doing good. So now let's start for the job interview. First question, tell me about yourself.
Um, Thank you for that question po. My name is Ivan Kurt F. Oliva, and I am a motivated and hardworking individual currently pursuing a Bachelor of Physical Education at National University, Manila. I completed my senior high school in the Humanities and Social Sciences strand at San Francisco High School, where I developed my leadership and organizational skills by serving as a vice president of my class and as an auditor in Supreme Student Government. I am passionate about honing my abilities in strategic planning, scheduling, and communication. My experience includes representing my school in dance competitions such as the Chosen Grounds Dance Contest at the University of the Philippines, and being an active member of the Ceaseless Dance Troupe at National University, Manila. Additionally, I serve as a second-year representative for organization of physical education majors, which has given me valuable exposure teamwork teamwork and event management in my academic journey. I I have consistently excelled and earning honors and recognition like senior high school best in work immersion and being consistent this lister. I am eager to apply my skill to continue learning and contribute positively to a professional environment. That's all po.
That's all. Okay, we will jump to the next question. Why should we hire you?
Um, you should hire me because I am highly motivated and hardworking individual who thrives on learning and contributing to a team. My leadership experience as a vice president of my class, auditor and supreme student government, and second year representative for organization, physical education majors have equipped me with the strong organizational strategic planning and the time management skills. So, I am also a versatile individual with experience in creative pursuits such as being a dancer in a prestigious competition and a member of my university dance troupe. These roles have honed my teamwork, discipline, and ability to perform under pressure. Academically, I have demonstrated a commitment to excellence by consistently earning honors and being recognized as a Dean's Lister. I am eager to bring my skills in communication, problem solving, and dedication to your organization where I can contribute effectively while continuing to grow professionally. My goal is to add a value to your team and make a meaningful impact in the role.
Okay, that's good. Okay, we will now jump to the next and last question. Do you have any question to ask, or do you have any expectation to ask?
I don't have any question po, but I expect that this opportunity, this job is I got for myself also. Thank you po.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. I hope uh, we will see you here at the school and have a good day today. Thank you so much, Mr. Oliva.
Thank you, Miss
Thank you. Bye
Brian.
bye.